Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by putting the controller into pairing mode and making your phone discoverable. First, open Android Bluetooth settings and keep the page active so it scans. Next, on the DualSense, hold PS and create together for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light flashes. This signals pairing mode. Once done, watch your phone's list for wireless controller. Tap it to begin. This is the crucial first handshake that lets Android recognize the controller as an input device. After you tap the device name, Android negotiates profiles so input works properly. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts. No PIN is usually required. Once paired, the DualSense LED will change behavior. This indicates an active connection, so verify by opening a game or a controller tester app to confirm buttons and sticks respond. If you need features like gyro or haptics, check app settings. Some apps expose extended controller options. Make sure to keep Bluetooth on. To finalize, launch a preferred game and map controls if necessary. Most modern Android titles auto-detect the DualSense. When done, charge the controller via USB-C so you're ready next time. If pairing fails, remove the controller from Android's paired list and try again. This clears stale profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: press the small reset button on the controller's back. Use a paperclip for 5 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. This resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.